get this ABS controller back in. It's been reassembled. That one's getting too shallow. I need a longer extension. Oh, sorry. Knocking you around. So the little one needs to go back there first. That needs silicone grease in there. Paint flake in my eye. Seriously. It's gonna be perfect. Perfect alignment. Done. At least we're getting that part back together. Now I've got to hang the bracket, put the reservoir back on, plumb it back up to the clutch and to everything else. Put the lines back on the master cylinder. The brakes will be ready to be bled then at that point. So I guess we'll move on to getting this stuff back in over here. And I'm not putting fluid in it until the car's back ready to go back on the ground, because stuff's just gonna run out, and I still have one caliper uninstalled, so it'll sit here dry until it's ready to be bled and tested.